Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Coohom app. In order to do so, here we are at Coohom.com. And what's Coohom all about? It is designing, modeling, visualizing, and home design made easy, the world's leading home design software of 2025. And you can come here to book a demo. You can also start for free, but if you want to get the full version, you are looking at a subscription. We'll take a look at that here in a moment. But you can create a 3D home design in 10 minutes, render a stunning visual in just 10 seconds. Inspiring home design ideas for every room, explore free design templates for bedrooms, living rooms, kitchens, and more. Easy to use and ready to customize. And you can check out the different home design ideas that they have here. How to design a home online for free, best tools for Indian homeowners. Explore free online tools like Coohom to design your dream home with ease. Start your home design journey today with Coohom. Create or upload a floor plan with Coohom. Design and decorate your home in 3D. Experience fast, high-quality 4K rendering in real time. Unlock infinite possibilities with AI-powered design. Unleash your creativity with Coohom, best 3D home design software. Coohom global designer community. You can take a look here for that. But let's go ahead and take a look at the pricing here for Coohom. And you could see here that we can do a free trial of the pro version, and then they have the monthly subscription, annual subscription, and we'll just take a look at that, scrolling down here a little bit. Just a bit further down. Here we go. So we have the basic, and with the basic, you can do some limited here. Let's go ahead and click on that so we get the full view here. And you could see here what we have with the basic version. Fairly limited, but there is a few things there to play around with. With the Pro, you're looking at $42 a month, and with the Elite, you're looking at $82 a month. There is, with Coohom, a Windows app and a Mac app. So you can see here at the bottom, you can download the Coohom Windows app and also the Mac app. And if you want to get started for free, just come to Coohom.com and you click up at the top right-hand corner here, start for free. Start playing around with it, and if you are ready to do the monthly subscription, then you are looking at $42 a month for the pro version. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the description, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a win-win situation, and Simply Financial comes highly recommended.